Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Breaking AI news. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Massive AI and robotics updates just dropped, and here's the full breakdown. Meta launched its Llama.con with new tools like Llama Guard and the free API. OpenAI rolled out a controversial GPT-4o personality update and improved GPT search. Microsoft released 5 models that beat O1 Mini on reasoning. Amazon unveiled Nova Premiere, its smartest AI yet. Google expanded AI mode in search and added podcast summaries in 50 plus languages. DeepSeek dropped Proverb V2 for math and theorem solving. Alibaba, Baidu, Runway, and Suno all made big moves. And DynaRobot showed a robot folding 850 napkins solo. So if you're into AI, this is the round out you don't want to miss. Let's get started. So let's start with Meta. So Meta hosted its first LlamaCon developers conference and made a ton of announcements, including Llama API free preview, ChatGPT-like Meta AI app with Discover Feed, Llama Guard 4 12 billion, Llama Firewall, and Prompt Guard, collab with Grok and Cerebrus. Check this out.
All right, hey everyone, we built a new thing for you. There's almost a billion people who are using Meta AI across our apps now, so we made a new standalone Meta AI app for you to check out.
But really, the biggest thing to come out on LlamaCon this week was a new version of the Meta AI app. Now, if you had like the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, you probably already installed the app. It was called the Meta View app. Well, they just rebranded the Meta View app to the Meta AI app and then rolled out a standalone AI chat feature directly inside of the app. So, similar to ChatGPT and Claude and all of the various other AI apps, you can open the Meta AI app and now you can chat directly with Llama. So Meta AI is built to get to know you, so its answers are more helpful, it's easy to talk to, more seamless and natural to interact with. It's more social, so it can show you things from people and places you care about. And you can use Meta's AI voice features while multitasking and doing other things on your device. But as I've checked right now, the voice feature is still not available on my end. So, voice conversations, including full duplex demo, are available in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand as of now. So, Meta AI uses Llama 4 to help you solve problems, navigate your daily questions, and better understand the world around you. So, just like Instagram, Facebook, the Meta AI app includes a Discover feed, a place to share and explore how others are using AI. You can see the best prompts people are sharing or remix them to make them your own. Next, we have OpenAI. So, OpenAI pushed 2 key product updates: a personality update for GPT-4o, which made the AI sycophanty and was eventually reversed, and improvements for ChatGPT search with new shopping UX, better citations, and trending and auto-completed searches. So next we have from Microsoft. Microsoft dropped 3 reasoning-focused 5.4 models. So flagship 5.4 reasoning 14B beats OpenAI's O1 Mini. Smaller 3.8B parameters, Pi 4 Mini reasoning matches 7B models on math, suited for small devices like phones, open source with permissive licenses. So despite their small size 14B parameters, the performance of 5.4 reasoning models exceeds or approaches models with 5 to 50x more parameters across several reasoning capabilities. Next, we have Amazon. Amazon released Nova Premiere, its most advanced AI model yet. Handles complex tasks and also acts as a teacher to fine tune smaller models. Multimodal with 1M token context window, excels at orchestrating multi agent workflows. Check this out.
Join us on the web, the possibilities for what we can accomplish are endless. But to truly unlock the power of these agents, we need models that can handle the complexity of real world tasks.
That's why today we're excited to introduce Amazon Nova Premier, our most capable model for complex tasks. It's designed from the ground up to take on intricate multi-step workflows and the multimodal understanding necessary for powering tomorrow's agentic workflows. Let's see it in action. This demo will show how Nova Premier can transform the way customers can do investment research. Normally, this would involve meticulous scouring of dozens of data sources for information on the stock or company, the industry, macroeconomic conditions, etc., a time-consuming process. But with Nova Premier in the seat, we can build complex multi-agent applications that can help do this research for you. In this example, we created a primary supervisor agent and connected it to a series of specialist collaborator agents, each with access to their own set of tools. We asked Nova Premier, what are the emerging trends in the renewable energy sector and how might that impact my portfolio today? Under the hood, Nova Premier decomposes this goal into a series of tasks that it then assigns to the various collaborator agents. These agents act much like a team of human experts. One of the agents that the supervisor has assigned a task to is the market sentiment analyst. We can see here that the specialist agent has decided to call a news data aggregation tool and interpolated time horizons, key search terms, and other parameters based on its knowledge from the supervisor agent. In about a few minutes, Nova Premier has completed its research, and you can see how it's able to augment a user's financial analysis research, enabling them to make informed decisions faster than ever.
Using Amazon Bedrock model distillation, we can use the invocation logs from Nova Premier as a training data set for the student model. The student model aims to match the teacher's accuracy at that specific use case, while retaining the lower cost and latency of the student model. Once Nova Premier is distilled into Nova Micro, we can once again ask that same question and see what took an all Premier setup almost a minute can now be completed twice as fast.
So Notebook LM got a new update. So Google expanded Notebook LM's podcast generating audio overviews to 50 plus languages, including Hindi and Spanish. It also opened AI mode in Google Search to all Labs users in the US and added new features for better shopping and planning. Next, DeepSeek released Prover V2, an open source AI combining informal math reasoning and theorem proving. With 671 billion parameters, the model solves 88.9% of problems on Mini F2F. It does a cold start to break down proofs into sub-goals before formal verification. So next, Alibaba's Quen team released Quen 3 family with 2 MOA models and 6 dense models. So models range from 600 million to 235 billion parameters. Flagship version rivals OpenAI O1 and DeepSeek R1. Hybrid thinking in all. Boosted coding and agent performance. 119 languages supported. Next, we have from Baidu. Baidu debuted turbo versions of Ernie 4.5 and X1 with faster speed and lower cost. So 4.5 turbo comes at 11C and 44C per million input-output tokens. So 0.2% of GPT 4.5. And then X1 turbo tops DeepSeek R1 and V3, coming at 14cc and 55cc per million input-output tokens. Next, we have Suno version 4.5, released with new AI music generation features, including new genres and enhanced voices, complex textured sounds, better prompting and adherence, and ability to create extended 8-minute songs. Next, Runway launched Gen 4 references to all its paid customers. So with this feature, you can use photos, images, 3D models, or selfies to place a character into any scene with high consistency. So you must try this one. Very nice update from Runway Gen 4. Next, Dyna Robotics introduced Dyna 1, a robot foundation model for high throughput, dexterous tasks. The co founder released a video showing how the model enabled a robot to fold 850 plus napkins in 24 hours with a 99.4% success rate and zero human intervention. Next, ABB Robotics and Burger Bots opened new fast casual locations in Los Gatos, where robots assemble made to order $18 burgers in 27 seconds. The robots in use here are ABB's IRB 360, FlexPicker, and UmiBot. Next, China's Deep Robotics launched Lynx M20, a rogue version of its robot dog. It can run through rough terrain and extreme temperature, specialized for tasks like power inspection, emergency response, and logistics. Next, we have Amazon backed Laser raised $16 million in Series A to bring physical AI to waste management. The company is building robots that use computer vision to auto-sort trash and recyclable materials into the right place. Next, if you have Gemini app on your phone, you can now upload and edit your images directly inside of the Gemini app. This is something you've been able to do over inside of AI Studio for a little while. So now Gemini app on Android can actually do that as well. Next, if you're a fan with Midjourney, they rolled out what they call omni-reference. So they describe it as a way to put this in my image. It works with character, objects, vehicles, and more. Coming up here, Kling AI rolled out a new feature called Instant Film Effect. So it looks like you give it like a portrait image, and then it will take that portrait and then convert it into what looks like a Polaroid, then animates. So I log into my Kling account here under AI template. There's an effect tab that says instant film, so just click on that. We'll try this instant film. So here's the image I'm using. Let's go ahead and generate the instant film image. So here's like the little still image that it generated for me. It looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and confirm this and see how it animates it. Now here's what it generated. I mean, it's subtle, but there's some animation there. You can see it. And that's a wrap on this week's AI and robotics breakthroughs. From Meta's Llama updates to OpenAI GPT tweaks, Microsoft's reasoning models, Amazon's multimodal Nova, and DeepSeek's Prover, every major player bought something game-changing. Robots are now making burgers, folding napkins, and even sorting trash without humans. Crazy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Introducing PeopleBots. PeopleBots is your entire online sales, support, and coaching team. PeopleBots will learn your business and sell, support, and train for you. It can chat, it can even speak to your prospects. It can work 24/7 with no breaks and help you grow your business and get you happier customers. PeopleBots is the advanced AI website chat that your business needs today. It can be anyone you want it to be. It can learn and remember everything. Just give it instruction manuals, your knowledge base, or write a little document that tells everything PeopleBots need to know. PeopleBots help you sell, support, coach, speak. It can even work with human teammates. It will help you get leads, and PeopleBots learn continuously. PeopleBots can spark off the conversation by sending your customer a message. PeopleBots can integrate perfectly with your website's design. It can speak every language. It can also keep records of all chats. Like I told you earlier, you can customize PeopleBot's knowledge and personality, but that's not all. You can create many versions. You can create multiple bots, each with a different expertise and information to integrate on different websites or web pages. It has ready-made bots for you to use. No need to plug in your AI or bring in your API keys. Integrate PeopleBots in any web page in less than 2 minutes. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get PeopleBots now. Just go to getpeoplebots.in.